Social media is one of the most powerful tools available to any business. But for small local businesses, it can be a game changer. When done correctly, the click of a mouse connects you with tens of thousands of your potential customers. The question is, are you using it? Maybe you are using it, but not seeing any results. You may even be among those who have realized the potential of social media, but feel it's too difficult to manage yourself and pay someone to do for you, wasting hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a month doing so. That's where DIY Social Media comes in. DIY Social Media, through our online course, will show you the ins and outs of how to properly market your company in the easiest way possible and get you started on the path to having an effective social media presence. We will explain from start to finish how to simply set up an account all the way to building that account into a powerful and useful marketing tool. We have developed these courses specifically with the small business in mind, and once you've completed them, we are confident that you will have the skills it takes to effectively grow your business and turn your social media into profits.